In the year 2023, the AI landscape witnessed an extraordinary event in AI supernova marked by astounding conversations with ChatGPT and impressive pixel art crafted by Midjourney. Now, get ready to be astonished in 2024 as we introduce 8 groundbreaking AI tools that make you rich. Our first tool is 1. Parrot AI. Parrot AI stands as a transformative force in the business landscape. Offering more than just enhanced customer interactions, it presents a lucrative investment opportunity. Through the deployment of Parrot AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, companies experience a significant overhaul in their customer support systems, leading to a reduction in operational costs and a boost in overall efficiency. The adaptability of this tool is a key asset, making it suitable for a wide array of industries, spanning from e-commerce to healthcare. As businesses strategically leverage conversational AI for lead generation and sales, Parrot AI becomes a valuable revenue-generating asset. Its continual learning capabilities set it apart, allowing the tool to evolve and refine responses based on user interactions. This adaptive learning not only enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty, but also contributes substantially to increased sales and overall profitability. Parrot AI thus emerges not just as a technological advancement, but as a strategic investment in fostering sustainable business growth. 2. InVideo AI. InVideo AI not only simplifies video production but opens up new avenues for revenue generation. Content creators and businesses can quickly produce engaging videos for marketing, social media, and education, saving both time and resources. With its extensive template library, InVideo AI caters to various industries, enabling entrepreneurs to monetize their content through advertising or subscription models. Moreover, the tool's collaborative features facilitate teamwork, making it an ideal solution for agencies and freelancers. As the demand for video content continues to rise, InVideo AI positions itself as an indispensable tool for those looking to capitalize on the booming digital content market. 3. Newbert. Newbert is an AI music generator and royalty-free music ecosystem that utilizes artificial intelligence and the creativity of music producers to provide high-quality music tracks for streaming, videos, podcasts, commercial use, and online content. To start creating your music, click on Generate a Track now. On the next page, enter some data about your music track in the prompt box. You can enter your text prompt or select genres, modes, and activities. All kinds of music genres are available. Next, the moods option, and then select activities. After that, select the track length. The default length is 45 seconds. After all is set, hit the Generate Track button. Newbert will take some time to generate the music, and here it is. Now, to save the track on your device, click on the download icon. You have to create an account to download the music track. Create an account with your Google, Facebook, or email account. After creating a free account, your music track will be added to the download folder. 4. HeyGen. HeyGen is a cloud-based text-to-video solution that utilizes AI technology to transform text into quality videos. HeyGen is for marketers, educators, and content creators. Whether you're looking to create promotional videos for your business, educational videos for your students, or engaging content for your social media platforms, you can generate videos with high-quality, realistic AI avatars, talking photos, face swaps to any avatar, and create your own unique avatar. It has instant avatars, 120+ public avatars, 300+ voices, auto captions, and voice cloning. 5. Ideogram. Ideogram positions itself as a standout tool by not only excelling in generating outstanding images from text prompts but also demonstrating a unique proficiency in seamlessly incorporating text into images. For those seeking to craft visually appealing content, particularly text-based outputs like a Happy New Year post, Ideogram stands out as an intriguing option. Its ability to effortlessly create illustrated text-based outputs, coupled with its proficiency in crafting extraordinary logo designs from a single prompt. 6. Prime Voice. Prime Voice is not merely a tool for enhancing audio applications, it serves as a gateway to lucrative monetization avenues. Beyond its technical capabilities, businesses can harness Prime Voice's advanced voice synthesis to craft tailored voiceovers, thereby elevating brand presence in commercials, podcasts, and advertisements. Audiobook publishers find value in its capacity to generate lifelike narrations, captivating audiences and subsequently boosting sales. Developers, recognizing its potential, can seamlessly integrate Prime Voice into paid applications, furnishing users with premium, Personalized audio experiences. Positioned as a revenue-generating asset, Prime Voice aligns with the expanding audio industry, enabling businesses and creators to capitalize on the escalating demand for high-quality, customizable voice solutions. In essence, Prime Voice not only enriches auditory experiences but also unlocks diverse opportunities for businesses and content creators in the evolving landscape of audio-centric ventures. 7. Pika 1.0. Pika 1.0 PAB is a wonderful text-to-video generator and image-to-video generator tool. Recently, Pika has launched their updated version 1.0. Previously, you had to use Pika on a Discord server, but Pika launched their web version. You can still use it on Discord. Once you've signed in, you'll be welcomed to their Explore page, and you'll see some examples from previous users. Here, you have to enter the text prompt, add a reference image or video, select the aspect ratio, FPS, motion control, motion strength, and then the last parameter, negative prompts. After all is set, hit the generate icon, and here it is. Our video is ready. After generating a video, while reviewing, you will find some extra options. You can regenerate the video, edit it, add an extra 4 seconds, or upscale the video. Those are amazing features. Even you can generate videos from an image or reference video. 8. Playday AI. Playday AI emerges as a cutting-edge AI video generator tool, revolutionizing content creation through its integration with text prompts. Offering a unique advantage of being currently free and ensuring swifter outputs due to a less crowded user base, Playday AI requires a Discord account for access. Once within the server, users can simply enter a play channel, input their text prompts, and witness the creation of impressive videos upon hitting enter. For those delving into deepfake technology, the personalized option is available, allowing users to upload a source image by following a straightforward process involving the same prompt and agreement. This facilitates the creation of AI-generated images ready for use. Additionally, Playday AI provides a personalized video experience by allowing users to join a play channel, select a video, personalize for striking face changes, observable in before and after versions. This feature ensures consistent character video generation aligned with user input text prompts. Alright, folks, we've delved into the top 8 AI tools set to revolutionize 2024. But remember, the AI realm is teeming with potential game changers. This concludes our video. If you gleaned valuable insights, do us a favor, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more informative content. Your support means the world. Thanks for joining in, and until next time, stay curious and stay tuned.